Hey guys, Ryan Kerrigan here. Today we're at MarineMax Danvers taking a look at this new trade that we just got in. This is a 2018 Sailfish 241 center console. This boat was purchased, serviced, and stored through MarineMax. Some of the features on this boat that we're going to see today, guys: plenty of good cockpit space on this boat, standard live well, rod holders, bait station, flip up tow arch here as well. Moving up into the helm, some of the electronics, you're going to have your Garmin multifunction display, Yamaha engine diagnostics, Fusion Bluetooth stereo, VHF radio, all on this deluxe leaning post. Super cushy, super nice and comfortable at the helm. Rocker style switches here for your freshwater, deck lights, underwater lights. And moving forward, just going to have you pop into the head here. You're gonna have access to your batteries down there as well. And moving up finally to the bow. Super nice seating here, cushion bolsters if you want to be facing forward or aft. Storage under all these seats. All draining storage, so these can double as a cooler. Bow table as well, so this can kind of be a all entertaining area for the day. Guys, this boat is available. Again, was purchased, serviced, and stored through MarineMax. We just got it in on trade. It's at a great price. If you guys want to come by, I know it is cold, but there's still deals out for boating. All right, we're at 10 Hutchinson Drive in MarineMax Danvers. Come by and say hi. All right.